Hey! So today I have another unboxing. This one I've been so excited to get into. This is a parcel from 6% Doki Doki, and if you don't know about 6% Doki Doki and you're into J fashion, like, whew, 6% is a harajuku brand started by Sebastian Masuda, who's an artist. If you've ever seen the harajuku clock, which I believe has now been removed, it's full of wonderful, like, bright coloured, really cool things, and that was a harajuku project. I think that was the name. I can't remember the name, but that was Sebastian Masuda. His stuff's really cool. He's also done the Time After Time capsule, which was like a look into like kawaii around the world and like kawaii fashion history. So I've got in here, I have one item I know what it is because I was very selective. I've been wanting this necklace a while. And then 2 mystery boxes. Now the mystery boxes are very special items. Essentially 6% Doki Doki, due to COVID-19, are worried about their future, which, you know, understandable. Every government around the world's handled this situation differently, and I think the Japanese government, for whatever reason, a lot of businesses are struggling. I know ACDC Rag have also had I think they closed all of their shops apart from one. But yes, 6% have done mystery boxes. I have 2 mystery boxes in here and a necklace, and they also opened a online international store shipping direct from them, rather than Tokyo or Otaku Mode or Dreamy Bows, which is where you would normally get your overseas 6% items. So I'm just going to go in and open it. Ooh. So there's one collector's box. So yeah, these were 3,000 yen, and basically the aim of these was to help save the store. There's my delivery note. There's they gave me a bag. Thank you, 6%. This is the 6% shopping experience. Boom. Ooh. Oh man, I'm hype. Woohoo! Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, so another thing they were doing, if you bought online, you got an exclusive postcard and a badge in your order. So it says, thank you so much for your purchase. Shop information, blah blah blah. Basically, if something's missing, tell us, but we don't do returns. But yeah. No, that is going on my wall. It's nice that I've got a postcard. And I'm very excited about this badge. I feel like I can be a real cool kid with my badge. Yes, I wore something relatively plain so I could add to it just in case. Here is my necklace. I don't want to ruin the packaging now. 6% is like sacred Decora kid brand, like, you know. I believe it's called the Twinkle Star Necklace. Too Lovely Star Necklace. And it's very kiddie in the best possible way. It's got this big chunky yellow star and then these really cute beads, and at the end we've got a 6% tag and these really cute beads. I got this mostly thinking it would go very nicely with Cotton Candy Shop. Collector's box. Yes, I am carefully peeling the sticker. You've got pink bubble wrap. Ooh. Oh! 6%. So I worked out these should have like 10 items each in. So let's go. We got a sticker! We got a 6% Doki harajuku sticker. Okay, the other thing is I have no idea if these two boxes are going to be exactly the same. So we've got a sticker. We have a unicorn that says sensational lovely shop. 6% Doki. Let's put this unicorn on here. Let's get into the vibe. Let's become the Toy Story. Yes, that was partly my idea that I would become the Toy Story. We've got a kitty in glasses hair tie and this really cute polka dot heart. Like, hello, that's going on my hair. I don't think I can put the hair tie in, but the clip can. We're gonna just fill up the bangs with clips. Like, this is what's happening. Unexpected decor, get ready with me. So yeah, that's a little heart clip. I'm sorry about my hair. It's the way it is. It's a good cat. It's got gingham and polka dot ears. Very cute hair tie. I'm not very good at using these ones though. Now this is the main event everyone's clearly here for. Look, I got some of these. These things are like rocking horse poo. Like, you can't get them. I'm gonna attempt to put them all in my hair. Boom! I'm clipped up. I'm gonna just put this cat on my wrist. We can have a wrist cat. Wrist cat's cool. I still want more in here. We have a big bow. Oh, this is an alligator clip and hair clips in there. I will say they really know how to put plastic on. We can just bonk that there. That's pretty heavy. I was also looking, someone was selling this same bow on Depop for like £15 and I was like, huh, I wonder if I'll get one in my box. Guess what? And we got some pastel bracelets. These are very cute. We'll put those on. Nice stretchy elastic, that's very important. And the last piece is a panda ring. The panda is so cute. Copyright Rune Boutique. Wait, I have... Oh, okay. Rune, if I'm remembering correctly, is a really awesome 60s Japanese artist. Yeah. Oh, and the best news is it's got like a back you can split. Yeah, that's the... Part of the thing about the box was it's like stuff they don't sell anymore and like archive stuff, so... We panda. I do have tiny hands, but... Okay, so that was everything for the first box. There is stuff all over my room. I'll go for another. Once again, I am peeling the sticker. I didn't count how many items I got. So I got one ring, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna count the clips as 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess the other two types of clips are this heart and this is 10. I'm guessing I'm gonna count it that way. So we'll go for 10 for the first lot. Okay, here is the second lot, and this is already looking a bit visually different. Ooh, ooh. Doki, you pulled it out. You pulled it out. Okay. There's a very iconic item here. An item so iconic I was hoping I would get. I was kind of hoping for a necklace, but you know what? I'm not complaining. So we've got another sticker. It's exactly the same. Oh, we have another cat, another heart clip in different colorways. So that's another cat for my wrist. And we'll put the heart clip. We'll go in. As you can see, I have very thin hair. That looks really dumb stuff. We'll go in. We'll put it with the other heart clip. I feel like they can be friends. They can intermingle. And then another unicorn badge that once again says Sensational Lovely Shop, 6% Doki Doki. These are gonna be like, you know, some Lolita somewhere will be wearing these. Some Lolita somewhere, maybe me. I don't really have many Carousel Carnival pony friends, but you know, we vibe. I've got another bag of these. I was really hoping for stars or hearts, but I'll take the O's. So unfortunately my camera battery died while I was filming after the clips. I got another 2 bracelets, which you can see on the right hand here. I got a dangly star clip, which was the top left, and I also got this other Runeto strawberry ring, which is really cute. I really love her art and I'm very glad I got this. When I researched, I found these might have been from a collaboration in around 2011, which was really cool. Yeah, you can see the little heart bracelet here. It's super cute. And just some close-ups of what I got.